He ignored his parents until it was too late. There was once a young man named Arjun. He lived in a small town with his parents, who had sacrificed everything to give him a better life. His father worked long hours in the fields, and his mother spent her days taking care of the home, always putting Arjun first. From the moment he was born, their world revolved around him. They dreamed that one day Arjun would grow up, become successful, and give them the happiness they never had. And Arjun did grow up to be successful. He moved to the city, got a high paying job, and started living the life he had always dreamed of: a big apartment, expensive clothes, and a busy social life. But in the process, he slowly started forgetting the people who made it all possible. Amber. At first, it was just small things. He stopped calling every day. Then, it became once a week. Then, once a month. His parents would wait near the phone, hoping to hear his voice. Every ring of the phone made their hearts race, but most of the time, it wasn't him. His mother would often say, "Maybe he is busy, he will call tomorrow." His father would quietly nod, hiding his disappointment. They never complained. They never demanded. They only waited. Ego number in 8. Meanwhile, Arjun was too busy chasing success. Late night parties, endless meetings, new friends who barely knew his story. And slowly he began to feel that his parents didn't understand his modern life. Whenever they called, he would sound irritated. "I'm busy, mom. I'll call later." But later never came. Shetty's arrive one day, his father fell ill. It wasn't very serious at first, but his mother insisted on calling Arjun. She dialed his number with trembling hands. But Arjun didn't pick up. He was in an important meeting. Then she tried again and again. Still no answer. Trial at the Abdul. Hours later, Arjun saw missed calls. But instead of calling back immediately, he thought, "I'll talk to them later, it can't be that important." That later changed everything. That night, his father's condition worsened. He was rushed to the hospital. His mother sat beside him, holding his hand, tears silently falling from her eyes. Her only wish was for her son to be there. Finally, Arjun called back. But this time it wasn't his mother who answered. It was a stranger, a doctor. The doctor's voice was calm, but the words shattered Arjun's world. "I'm sorry your father passed away." Everything around him went silent. The noise of the city, the people around him, his busy life. It all disappeared in that moment. He dropped his phone. His hands started shaking. His heart filled with a pain he had never felt before. Arik. He rushed back to his hometown. But he was too late. Ye ballot please pose of inna content sufficient. When he entered the house, he saw his father lying still, lifeless. The man who once carried him on his shoulders now couldn't even move. His mother sat in the corner, broken. Her eyes were swollen from crying. But when she saw Arjun, she didn't say anything. No anger, no blame, only silence. And that silence hurt more than anything else. Arjun fell to his knees, tears streaming down his face. "I'm sorry, Dad, I'm so sorry." But apologies mean nothing when the person is no longer there to hear them. Days passed. The house felt empty. His father's chair remained untouched, his voice gone forever. "Apani ye jo darav do si la do susmak a desar do so dot bilas lonker so DLLSE che have as DS so S desar is as S." Arjun started noticing the small things he had ignored. The old phone his parents used, the worn out clothes his father wore, the simple meals his mother cooked with love. Tea, he realized, while he was busy building a luxurious life, his parents were living a life of silent sacrifices. One day he found an old diary. It belonged to his father. Inside, there were notes. Simple words but filled with love. "Today, Arjun got his first job. I am so proud of him. He didn't call today, maybe he is busy. I hope he is happy. I wish to see him soon." Page after page, only one thing was clear. His father never stopped loving him, not even for a second. Arjun broke down. For the first time in his life, he understood what he had lost. Success couldn't fill the emptiness. Money couldn't bring his father back. And regret stayed with him every single day. But from that day on, Arjun changed. He stayed with his mother. He took care of her. He made sure she never felt alone again. But deep inside, there was always one pain. One question that haunted him forever. What if I had just answered that call? Ending message. Sometimes we get so busy building our future that we forget the people who built our present. Call your parents. Spend time with them. because one day later becomes too late.